Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the most popular cakes in the entire world. We're making a Sacher Torte. This cake originated in Austria back in the 1800s and has been a staple ever since. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking.
To make the Sacher Torte, you'll need 130 grams of dark chocolate, 150 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 6 eggs, 100 grams of granulated sugar, 140 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And for the filling, you'll need about 200 grams of apricot jam. And for the ganache, you'll need 150 grams of dark chocolate, 150 grams of heavy cream, and 10 grams of unsalted butter. To get started, preheat the oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Line the bottom of an 8-inch pan, then set it off to the side. Melt the chocolate either in the microwave or over a double boiler. Allow it to cool as we start making the cake. In an electric mixer, beat the butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract on medium speed until light and creamy. Separate your eggs. Wash your hands and add the egg yolks one at a time into the butter mixture. Next, slowly add in the melted chocolate. For the dry ingredients, sift or whisk the flour and salt together. Place them off to the side as we whisk the egg whites. In the electric mixer, whisk the egg whites until foamy, then gradually add in the granulated sugar. Whisk on high speed until it forms stiff peaks. Alternating adding and folding the dry ingredients and egg whites to the chocolate mixture. Repeat this process 3 times. Pour the batter into the pan and let it bake on the middle rack for 10 to 15 minutes with the oven door slightly open. Then close the door and bake for another 50 minutes. Once the cake is done, remove it from the pan and let it cool on a wire rack for about 20 minutes. For the filling, smooth the apricot jam and strain it so it's nice and smooth. I place mine over the stove and use both a whisk and an emulsifier. Then I strained it so I could get rid of any unnecessary lumps and it was nice and smooth. Carefully cut the cake in half so you have 2 layers. Spread the apricot jam onto the bottom layer, then stack the top layer. Coat the entire cake in a thin layer of apricot jam and let it chill in the fridge while we make the chocolate ganache. Heading over to the stove, heat up the heavy cream until it just begins to steam and boil. Pour it over the chocolate and stir continuously. Add in the butter and continue to mix until it is nice and smooth. Usually ganache is just chocolate and heavy cream, but when you add butter, it gives a little bit of silkiness and stability to it. Remove the cake from the fridge and place it on a wire rack on top of a baking pan. Pour the chocolate ganache over the top of the cake and let it flow down the edges. Quickly spread with a palette knife along the top and sides to smooth it. Let it set, then chill for about 2 hours in the fridge. With the extra ganache, you can use it to decorate pretty piping decorations. I pre-cut the cake into slices and piped an S for Sacher Torte on each one. And now you're ready to enjoy a slice of decadent chocolate Sacher Torte.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we'll have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a great time making the Sacher Torte and I hope you did as well. I can definitely see why this is one of the most popular cakes in the entire world. The fruit and the chocolate go very well together and the cake is just delicious. If you recreate the Sacher Torte or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well, enjoy your Sacher Torte, and have a great day. Bye!